So, hello guys, I'm good with you. So, today we will start. I will tell you how to make a registration form by using HTML. Okay. After that, you give your title. So, okay, but only two things we will need in this. One is style and HTML. These both. After that, you add the center tag, and after that, center tag, and then H3. So we need to give that register here. Okay, after that, end of H3, and then and after these adding this, you need to add the table and TR tag, and again the TD tag, which we all know. So TD tag, you need to add user name and add TD close. We need to add input type, which is a text. Okay, after that you need to add like name. So name should be user. So I am giving user, and after that you add the placeholder. So we need to add like enter your username, please. Enter your username. So after that, doing this, end of TD tag and end of your TR tag. So after that, when this whole thing is done, so you just copy and then paste. So we need to add like your name should be like I will give as name and enter your name. So I think I should check this. So wait, it just so I have made a spelling mistake. Enter your name and enter your username. So this will come as this is coming like this username and name because we have had another table tag. So after that you just copy and we need to add like your password and your email and confirmation password, and if you want the phone number add, and you can add gender type. So I add wait, after name you add, so be careful, don't get confused. Confirm password, so it should be like I'm giving the password. So and here also same. password, and after that you need to add. So I should give as pass, and again pass one, and enter your, like, we have to enter. Okay, I have entered the enter your. And then we need to add your email. So mail, and after email you have to add a, like, phone number. I think I'm doing like, mm, wait, name. So I need to add. So here pass one. Okay, confirm password. Then we need to add, not the name, we need to add phone number. After phone number you need to add like digits. So wait a minute, phone number should be like uh, phone, iPhone, and name as, mm, okay. After that, wait, okay, after that, if you have done this, so enter your phone number, confirmation password, and then we need to add an email, and then text as, and name as, enter your email. So we need to add one more thing, is that what gender you are. So gender is also, if you want the gender you can, but it's not need to like, need to add the gender, or if you want you can edit it by yourself. So I need the input type should be like radio button. So radio, and name as radio. So we don't need a like placeholder now for here, as we added the radio, and we give the name, then type. Okay, sorry, give the name as gender. After that you add a, if you are male, so we need male, copy. Okay, after that you add the female, and others are also there, others. So in that you need to add uh like submit button. So now we start again here, adding the TDI, and we need to add the input, like, give the type as submit, submit name, submit, and the value should be met. So after all these things, like we need to give some small CSS, and we do like margin 0, and then padding should be 0. And if you want to add the background, so you can give any. So I'm giving yellow. Okay, so after that, so we need to test our thing. Let's see. So here it came. Okay, there is a spelling mistake in my, like, enter your name, enter. So I've done name. Okay, wait a minute. Name. So I don't need the name. Now again, let me see. Wait. Enter. And then you understood what is this. So let me check. After that, you give your name as your username, name, password 1234, 1234, and confirmation password 1234, and phone number 12345678910. So you need like your phone number should be like there are for I am Indian, so we need like phone number should be of 10 digits. So wait, I'm just give you that. So after that, max length should be like 10 digits. So after that, we cannot add the like more. So if you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I'm adding 1 0, and I'm try to add 1, so it's not adding. Okay, so let okay, I'm male. So when I submit, it will restart. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.